Welcome to She Codes Pakistan. In this video, I will tell you 9 facts about me. These are following.
1. What is date? 2. Where dates are found. 3. Colors of dates. 4. Tastes of dates. 5. Uses of dates. 6. Quran reference. 7. Fun fact.
Dates are mainly grown in hot and dry climates, especially Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, UAE, Oman, etc. Colors of dates. Dates come in different colors, depending on variety and ripeness. Light yellow, golden brown. Taste of dates, naturally very sweet, soft, chewy, or slightly dry, depends on type, often used as a natural sugar substitute. Dates are rich in natural sugars, glucose and fructose, fiber, potassium, iron, magnesium, vitamin, gives instant energy, improves digestion, good for heart, boosts brain function, strengthens bones, helps in pregnancy, eaten fresh or dried, used in desserts, shakes and sweets. Added to energy bars. Commonly eaten during Ramadan for iftar. Yes, Surah Maryam. And shake towards you the trunk of the palm tree. It will drop upon you ripe, fresh dates. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like and share. She Codes Pakistan.